Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound these simple words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes. And don't forget to search out some words and transcribe. It can actually help to improve our memories. Okay, I'm done with the slashes. So the first one here is brother. And this one is sister. That is this. Boy. Girl. Woman. And this one is man. Okay, close them up so we can sound them together. So let's go. Brother. Ensure you are sounding your TH correctly. This is the sound here. Brother, sister, boy, girl, woman, man. Brother, sister, boy, girl, woman, man. I want you to repeat after me at this point. Brother, sister, boy, girl, woman, man. I'll go over it just once more. Brother, sister, boy, girl, woman, man. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.